NCSimul 4CAM 2022.1 has a new module called Hexagon Multiple Part Machining. With this module, you can import several manufacturing processes from WorkNC onto a machine table at the same time. That means you can load the 3D elements as parts, stocks, or fixtures, as well as the tools and their trajectories and the work offsets. Add multiple parts on the machine table by simply selecting a mating axis system to define the initial position. During the importation, NCSimul calculates the motion from the tool change position to the starting point of the operation and the interpath linking between operations. All the new motion is verified against potential collisions. In the event of a collision, you can modify the positioning of a manufacturing process. This operation moves the 3D elements, the trajectories, and the work offsets. It is also possible to update a manufacturing process if you add or modify operations in your CAN system or remove one entirely. Once the positioning is perfect, you can save your manufacturing process and use the 4CAM command minimize the number of tool changes. NCSimul will duplicate the process and reorder the operations to reduce wasted cycle time. After that, you can launch a simulation to finalize your collision checking process, but normally it's not necessary because WorkNC has already checked the toolpaths and NCSimul has checked the linking motions during computation. The last step is to generate the G-code file and you're ready to send the program to the machine. With the Hexagon multi-part machining module, you can maximize the usage of your CNC machine, feeling confident to run lights out machining as a programmer, machinist, or operator.